So, Bhumi, I'm really impressed by what we've been talking about career, growth, great stuff. But I want to talk about you now. So, tell me about your strengths and weaknesses.
That would be very difficult for me to analyze actually. My friends tell me that I'm a very open person.
No. You are totally killing the vibe of this interview. I have shared in so many videos before and I'm saying it again. Don't hoo and haw. आपको इसके लिए थोड़ा प्रेपरेशन करना पड़ेगा तो चलो मैं इसके लिए एक और चीट शीट देती हूँ सो यू हैव टू फर्स्ट नो व्हाई कंपनीज आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेल्फ अवेयरनेस और ऑनेस्टी जज करना चाहते हैं दे वांट टू नो हाउ यू इवैल्यूएट योरसेल्फ without any bias. Are you open to receive feedback from others in the workplace? Second, क्या आप टीम और कंपनी कल्चर के लिए फिट बैठोगे? If you are social or maybe you are very process driven or you like to think on the go, can you manage your tasks if it's a small team or like if it's a startup? And most important, क्या आप खुद को improve करने के लिए committed हो? So if it's a strength, this is the formula and please snapshot this so you can evolve your own personalized answer. Please don't copy paste. State your strength, explain it and then describe the positive impact it had in your previous roles.
So Soumya, I'm very detail oriented. When presented with any problem statement like in my previous e-commerce company, I like to personally speak to 2 or 3 customers to understand the problem first and then also to the stakeholders from manufacturing to shipping. Now this really helped me catch errors before final reports were submitted, which improved our team's accuracy, rate of evolving solutions.
So that's a very interesting approach. Tell me about your weakness also then.
Well, I'm not sure, Soumya. Maybe I'm a very quiet person.
Guys, एक experienced interviewer तुरंत समझ जाता है कि आंसर फेक है या जेन्युइन तो क्या करो पिक अ रियल वीकनेस कुछ सुनी कही टाइप वीकनेस मत बोल देना इट डजंट हैव टू बी समथिंग इवन एसेंशियल टू योर जॉब बट हियर इज द फॉर्मूला एंड स्नैपशॉट दिस सो 1 वीकनेस बताओ एक एग्जाम्पल दो और फिर क्या स्टेप्स लिए और प्रोग्रेस क्या था Simple.
I sometimes struggle with public speaking, so I've been volunteering for presentations to build my confidence. Now it's not easy, but I can already see a drastic change in my confidence level. I actually made a company-wide presentation for the 6 months catch-up, which was attended by all company-wide leaders.
So my personal favorite is when a person is able to identify one quality and give it a both positive and negative spin. इसका मतलब होता है कि बंदा सेल्फ अवेयर तो है प्रोज एंड कॉन्स दोनों समझता है एंड थोड़ा क्रिएटिव भी है
So Soumya, I'm a very visual person. When presented with any problem statement, I need to put it down to a paper, an Excel, or even a whiteboard. Now it allows me to dwell on all sides of the problems. And it's also a super note-taking technique for me, which I can refer to later when I have to revisit the problem of a similar nature. Now, when you look at a problem visually, sometimes the answer is very evident. But the flip side of this is that sometimes it's very painstaking. Some projects and problems need an immediate solution. Now, I have realized over the years that putting a timeline to a visualization project is also important, so my team and company is not delayed just because of me.
Still not sure what you can possibly state as your strengths and weaknesses? मैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स आपके स्क्रीन पे छोड़ के जा रही हूँ बट याद रखना ये सिर्फ इंस्पिरेशन के लिए है एन एक्सपीरियंस इंटरव्यूअर एक प्रैक्टिस और एक रियल आंसर के बीच में फ़र्क जानता है सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन